What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a paracord, a 550 paracord, through a hole that's very narrow and very hard to get through. So yeah, if you have a paracord and you want to secure your knife or whatever, keychain or whatnot, and no matter what, you can't get this paracord through, okay? Here's a little trick you can do, okay? So get the end of your paracord, right? And inside, cut off a couple inches of your inner strings, are known as your guts. Just like that. Alright. Now with the guts a little further in, this part's a lot more narrow now. A lot more manageable. So what you're gonna do next, just get like a clothing hanger, a metal one, or like something long, narrow, or sharp that's gonna fit through whatever hole. And then now that you have your outer shell, it's a lot more manageable to get through the diameter of this hole. What you can do is stuff the paracord in through the hole. You stuff the paracord into the hole, and once you got the tip of it, just pull it out now, like this. Boom. I'm gonna check this out. Bam. Now we got the paracord through that narrower hole. And the main reason I do this is all of my knives, these retractable things, so I'll never lose my knife if I'm out in the wilderness. And if this video has helped you out, please thumbs up and subscribe. I got many more videos that'll save you time, money, and a lot of grief. Thank you, and peace out.